explain me how you are creating the biometric template on a device? How much compute power it needs to process the image and create a biometric template?
In terms of processing power, we always have some minimal hardware requirements, which the camera should have basically, and those are really low. So we can go with a 2 gigabytes RAM and 2 gigabytes of storage space, and we can have a HD quality of a camera that is already sufficient enough to be handling the whole process. So that's the first part. Second part is the quality of the algorithm. So if we go back to what I mentioned about NIST, so the NIST rankings, and when you open that, there is loads of numbers. Let's try to break it down to simple language. We are basically looking on the number of people that are having issues or are not being correctly identified on the gate compared to the entire database. If we are looking at the algorithm that we are using of Innovatrix, and we are looking at the parameter of checking one face against a database of 1.6 million faces, we have an accuracy of 99.89%. And that's the first parameter on the quality of matching. And then there is a second parameter on the speed, which is also very important. And we are, again, it's done against a certain size of a list. So we have a list of 12 million people, and the search against the 12 million database takes 500 milliseconds per core. So if we have a multi-core device, it's obviously going to be much faster. The idea is that and now really for the ones that are not that technical, the scanning, meaning the recognition of the face, the conversion into the template, the matching, and the result is all below 1 second. That's the most important for everyone to know. That's how we are able to get to that speed of the access control speeds.
Okay, great.